Oh my god, here we go. Hmm?
1, 2, 4, just
Oh,
coming
fuck
for
me.
you.
Wait, am I in the game now? Hello?
Hello, it's me.
Oh my god.
I think I'm finally breaking up with the Eastern NFC. Did you see that video?
Why can't I
No.
move as a prop? Shit.
I haven't seen it. They're making fun
Well-
of the football. They're making fun of the football division. It's funny as shit if you know about the teams.
Here I come, kids.
There's a lot of hunters. Puppy. Guys, was there always a keyboard back here?
I don't know. I don't remember. Dang it, this table.
Oh,
Alright, so it's not that. I had a feeling.
I had a feeling.
Well, are you in here? Where are you
Same
at?
shit.
Wait, Matt.
This room's tore up. Jesus, Forger.
Hey, Blue. Hey, yeah. I have a feeling that something's in here. I hear Will giggling and snickering.
I'll watch the door. You do
Okay.
you.
Can't jump in the air. Oh, I see you then.
Let's see.
Oh my god.
Are there cans here, maybe?
There's some cans. No. No. Dang it.
Are you trying to? Is that thing moving by itself, or
What's the?
is this bookshelf moving by itself?
Uh-huh.
Is that you?
Ah, no, it's not. I got excited and then I lost a whole bunch of health.
Shit.
Okay.
Alright, Tanner, I'll give you a hint about Will.
Don't.
Uh-huh.
There.
What was it doing?
Will something pretty thirsty.
Wow.
Something.
I mean,
pretty
like-
or-
If you were thirsty, you would need to find Will.
Hey.
Hey.
Okay, these are cans of beans, so I'm not thirsty for beans.
Are you sure about that?
I am not thirsty for beans.
Beans are pretty quench your thirst.
I can't get out of the freaking room. Damn chair.
Alright, I don't think he's in here with the barrels.
Get me out of this room. Okay.
Yeah, he's not in here with the barrels.
Okay. I don't know if he's in that room that I've been sitting in the whole time.
Oh, what happened in here?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Mhm.
God damn it. It's in there, guys.
Well-
Just watch it.
No watermelon.
Well, this is kind of terrifying from your angle.
I
It
know.
really,
All you
really
guys use
is.
bottles? Jesus.
Ow! What the heck happened? I'm
For all of you
stunned.
guys chose bottles.
Oh, for the love of Christ.
Wait a sec. Okay, thirsty. There's vending machines around here.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
There's two right here. I don't have a whole lot of health though.
Oh god, this is
Wait a
the
minute,
stupidest
wait a
thing in the world.
Damn.
Are you what I think you are, Will? Or am I just hitting this wall?
What are you? I can't find you.
Oh god.
Are you what I think you are?
Oh, that's not him.
Oh,
the heck?
come on.
This is so funny. Alright,
Oh,
well,
wait,
move
whoa.
around, jump
Speak
around.
to me. Speak to
Do
me.
it.
What's going on?
I was the table the whole damn time.
What table?
You feed.
What?
Oh.
You feed.
A bunch of dudes were standing there shooting him, and he wasn't dying, and it was so funny.
What the heck? Oh, I did hit you then. Dang, that was me.
Oh my god, that's the second time the table thing worked. Holy shit.